I'm mixing up a twist on the classic whiskey-based cocktail, the Old Fashioned. This is a chocolate Old Fashioned. With an Überbartools spoon, add a loving measure of Monin chocolate syrup to your mixing glass. Now add 50 ml of good quality American whiskey. My go-to is Jack Daniels. 2 dashes of Angostura bitters. Fill that mixing glass with ice and stir. I like to keep tasting to make sure I have it just right. Now pour the cocktail over a big rock of ice. Garnish with fresh orange zest and serve. That's my tasty twist on the old classic cocktail, the Old Fashioned.